This is gonna blow your mind. Your Ford Explorer backup camera problem solved in just a few steps. Alright, here's the deal. Your Ford Explorer's backup camera might go dark for a few reasons. First up, check if your camera lens is dirty. A quick clean with a soft cloth can do wonders. Still no luck? Next, let's look at the wiring. Pop the trunk and inspect the cables for any visible damage or loose connections. Tighten and secure if needed. Now, if your screen is blank, it could be a software glitch. Head to your settings, find the camera options, and hit reset. Just like magic, this can often fix the issue. If you're still stuck, it might be time to check the fuse box. Look for the backup camera fuse and see if it's blown. Replacing a fuse is cheap and easy. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it could be a faulty camera unit. In that case, think about reaching out to a professional for a deeper look. So, there you have it. Dirty lens, loose wires, software reset, fuse check, or a new unit. Troubleshooting your Ford Explorer backup camera can be a breeze. Don't let a glitchy camera get you down. Happy driving, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more handy car tips.